Assalamualaikum. Join us celebrating Saudi National Day. Let's do fillet of fish. For our tartar sauce, I have here mayo and mustard, black pepper, garlic powder, lemon juice, shallot, cornichons, garlic, dills, and capers. Mix it well. Fish fillet dredge into flour and set aside. For our thick batter, flour and cornstarch, salt, baking powder, and white pepper, non-alcoholic beverages. Our thick batter, guys. We soak our fish into thick batter and fry golden brown until fully cooked. You see, guys, the color. Now we go to our assembly. To our brioche buns, cheese, our fried fish fillet, tartar sauce on top, and covered. From me and my daughter, Happy National Day! Saudi National Day! Enjoy!